up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at With the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with an awesome new spray out that you guys get to rate. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate it anywhere in between. I got my fender prepped up behind me, so that can only mean one thing. We're going to be two-toning it today with Rustoleum 2X colors. I've got one color in particular that I haven't even used yet on the channel, so I'm excited to see what that does. The two colors for today are gloss black, my go-to for any kind of crazy color shift, which is what we're doing today, another color shift, and Lagoon blue. This is kind of a greenish blue, a little bit on the darker side. Very interesting color, so I'm excited to see what it does over the fender. And then the pearl, we're continuing with our CF brand pearls. Today it's Aurora green. This has a lot of greens, blues, golds, very aqua marine type deal. I think it's really good over the Lagoon, properly named. And of course gloss black, who knows what it'll do over that. But I'm excited to see where this episode goes today. I'm going to get the two-tone on this fender behind me, and let's get into today's video. Guys, so gloss black and Lagoon blue, pretty interesting color combination. I think it's going to look really good with this Aurora green over top of it. I am using my Speedo Coat Clear today, guys. Mix is 4-to-1. That's 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. I got 5 ounces total in my cup, and I'm going to do 3/4 of a teaspoon of this Aurora green pearl, and it's going to look really pretty, I think. This looks pretty cool in the mix. Alright, so that's 3/4 of a teaspoon, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so excuse the lawnmower in the background. The neighbor is being annoying. Not really, he's doing his thing, that's cool. But yeah, this is Aurora green, guys. You see the blue and then the shift of green. That's pretty cool. And then here it is in the mix. So let's get to mixing it. Let's see what we get. Wow. Yep, greens and blues, guys. Aurora green. Very cool. I like this one. It's a little bit different than what we're used to spraying. Look at all those greens and everything in it. So, yeah, pretty exciting. Can't wait to load this up and shoot it over that Lagoon in the black, see what we get. So, let's load up the V-bore gun and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so I got this Aurora green loaded up in my mix. 1.4 tip on my V-bore gun, 28 psi wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, I'm going to do a light coat first just to introduce everything, make sure we don't have any reactions, followed up by 2 or 3 follow-up coats and until we get the desired effect, and then we'll take it outside in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Aurora green. Now this is a very interesting pearl. At certain angles it shifts to blue and green, which is really cool because it kind of complements the other blue color we're going over. Look at that. It almost shifts to that. And then you come over here with the green color and look at that sparkle. That goes to green. So I think I picked a good color combination today of flippity floppity. It's pretty cool. All in all, I like it. I like the color contrast and combination. And I love the sparkle of these color shifts. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's our spray out today. Lagoon blue and gloss black with a really cool Aurora green color shift over top. Shifted from blues to green over this blue and over this black. And man, my eyes are hurting looking at this thing right here because it goes back and forth between these two colors. But I think it's a very cool effect. Ultimately, though, it ain't up to me, guys. You guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. If you want to spray with this pearl, if you want to shoot any clear, use the gun I use, anything you see on the channel, guys, links will be in the description. You can always click on Ask See It on YouTube. It takes you to my Amazon store. You can pick up anything there. It costs you guys nothing extra. You get all the benefits of Amazon Prime, and it's just a great way to go all the way around. If you made it this far in the video today and you like what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button. Drop that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And we're continuing to grow every single day. And it's all thanks to you guys. And I appreciate it because I love doing these spray outs for you guys. But anyways, guys, thank you again for watching today. I hope you have a great one. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.